So hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see partnership. So we are going to see what is partnership, types of partners, terms and relationship, different use cases. So what is partnership? When two or more people invest their money with shared objective to achieve benefits. So types of partnership, simple partnership, compound partnership. The resources are invested for the same time period by all the investors. Then we call it a simple partnership, whereas the resources are invested for different time periods by different investors. Then we call it as compound partnership. So types of partners: active or working partner and sleeping partner. So active partner has the responsibility for maintaining the business. So he'll take care of all the decisions. So he involved in all day-to-day activities. So that is why he'll get incentives, and the remaining profit only they divided among the investors. So finally he's getting more benefit than sleeping partner, whereas sleeping partner gives money, gives different resources like land, building, machinery, but he will not take care in the business activities. Terms and relationships. So the terms we are going to use are capital or money or investments, time period, and profit or profit share. So profit is directly proportional to time and investments. So profit is equal to time into investments. Both are directly proportional. So we have different use cases. So with same amount each by each partners for the same period of time, or different amounts each by the partners for the same period of time, or same amounts each by the partners for the different period of time, or different amounts each by the partners for different period of time. So let's see one example for each use cases with same amount and same time period. So Harry John Smith started a shop by investing rupees 27,000 each. At the end of the year, the total profit of rupees 90,000 was distributed among them. Find the Smith share. So Harry's John Smith, the ratio is 1 is to 1 is to 1. So total number of shares is 3 shares. Out of 3 shares, Smith share is 1. So Smith will get 1 by 3 of 90,000, that is equal to 30,000 rupees. So the second use case with a different amount and same time period. So Harry John Smith started shop by investing rupees 27,000, 72,000, 81,000 respectively. At the end of the year, total profit of rupees 80,000 was distributed among them. Find the Smith share. So Harry John Smith, the ratio is, when you cancel by 9,000, the ratio is 3 is to 8 is to 9. So the total number of shares is 20 shares. Out of 20 shares, Smith share is 9. So 9 by 20 into 80,000. So that is equal to 36,000 rupees. So next use case is with same amount and different time period. Krishna starts a business with 45,000. 3 months later, Arjun joins him with 45,000. At the end of the year, the total profit is 63,000. What's Arjun's share? So here, same amount but a different time period. So Krishna Arjun investment is 45,000, 45,000 each. Time period is 12 months, 9 months. Total investment 45,000 into 12. Arjun's 45,000 into 9. So profits are is 4 is to 3. So Arjun's share is total is 7 share, out of which Arjun's share is 3. So 3 by 7 into 63,000, that is 27,000. So the last use case is with a different amount and a different time period. So Krishna starts a business with 45,000. 3 months later, Arjun joins him with 60,000 rupees. At the end of the year, the total profit is 66,000. What's Arjun's share? So Krishna Arjun investment is 45,000, 60,000. Time period is at the end of the year, so 12 months. Whereas Arjun joins 3 months later, so he invested for a last 9 months only. So 9 months total investment 45,000 into 12, 60,000 into 9. So profit share is 1:1. So Arjun share is total share is 2, out of which 1. So 1 by 2 into 66,000. So that is equal to 33,000. So let us take one more example. Ajay Bubes invested rupees 15,000 and 20,000 respectively in a firm. After 4 months, they admit Suresh, who contributed rupees 22,500. Bubes withdraws his contribution after 9 months. What would be Bubes' share if the profit at the end of the year was rupees 90,000? So here three members, and Suresh joined after 4 months, whereas Bubes withdraws his contribution after 9 months. So the investment is 15,000 for Ajay, and Bubes 20,000 and Suresh 22,500. But whereas total time period, so there is no change in Ajay, so he invested for the entire year, so 12 months. But Bubes withdraws after 9 months, so he invested for only 9 months. Whereas Suresh joins after 4 months, so the total time period is 8 months, last 8 months. So the total investment made by them is 15,000 into 12, 20,000 into 9, and 22,500 into 8. So the profit share is 1:1:1. So Bubes share is out of three part, one part will go for Bubes into 90,000, that is equal to 30,000 rupees. So that's all about a partnership. So thank you. See you in the next video.